Knit Happens is a group of us getting together at Ryerson DME, the Digital Media Experience, to teach each other and to learn from each other, knitting, crocheting, and using the knitting machine. One of the fun projects we did was to teach students to crochet. We showed them how to crochet a scarf that rolls up into a mug. It's a really fun project and very basic, very simple to do.
My name is Kieran Ramnarayan, and my role at the Digital Media Experience Lab is Virtual Reality and Video Game Advisor. We start off by going through 360 photos, basically a 2D image that can capture 360 degrees around a camera, and then we learn how to import that into a virtual reality environment, which is a video game that you can see through a virtual reality headset, and then we learn how to add interactions through something like Steam VR or a video game engine.
It's an open source company and user community that manufactures boards that can control electronics, and there's a requisite software that allows you to use the board properly. People, they come in, they see other projects online that use Arduino and they think, oh god, this is super complicated, but they still have a drive to learn. What I show them is that over the course of an hour or two, that it's actually super simple, intuitive, and easy to learn, and that usually gets people excited. They start to actually think, instead of thinking about how they're going to screw up, they're going to think, oh, what if I try this?
I love teaching because actually the people that I teach, they always come up with really, really cool ideas, stuff that I would never come up with, so giving them the tools to be able to build those things really makes me happy.
It's a really fun place to learn from each other. Some have a lot of knowledge in knitting and crocheting and other crafts. And then there's the beginners, and it's always fun to watch them learning how to make something and how they delight in just learning something new, something they can make with their hands that's original.